we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we.
Hey guys, time check. It's already past 2:30 p.m. and Prince and I are heading to Oslo, Gaisano to buy some critical items ng cafe. Guys, almost 6 p.m. na. Tapos umorder ako dito sa Allison Food House ng barbecue nila. Ayan, may isaw, may chorizo, meron tayong atay ng manok, tapos laman ng baboy. Sobrang sarap ng barbecue nila guys. Sa labas lang sila ng Cafe Malaya. Eto, sa labas ng Alcoy Plaza. May mga room sa taas. Tapos dito sa baba, merong Cafe Malaya. Tapos dito sa labas, may choice kayong kumain ng larang, balbakwa, barbecue, ngoyong, batchoy, Shanghai fried chicken, siomai. Dito sponsored. Pero promise, ang sarap dito guys. Try nyo. Sa mga gustong mag-stop over, dito na kayo mag-stop over sa Allison. Naantay ko si na mama at si papa kasi dito kami magdi-dinner. Sasama ako kay mama pauwi ng city ngayong 6 p.m.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight.
Next day na to, I'm so sorry I wasn't able to do an outro yesterday. Pero continuation na lang din to hanggang sa pagkikita namin mamaya ni Kael. Dahil yes, after such a long time, finally, magde-date na kami ulit. So, if you've been watching my vlog, you probably know Mikael. He is one of my closest friends. And we are meeting later because pupunta na siya ng Canada. Mauna pa siya ni Marlon. Sa totoo lang, sobrang sad ko talaga guys. Naiiyak na naman ako. Kasi parang lahat ng mga taong close sa akin, iniiwan ako. Pero sige lang. Baka soon, makaapas ko. Makapunta ako dun. Soon. Anyway, nandito si Marlon kasi nandito kami sa park lane para mag-gym. So, ayan siya. guys, it's another day and we're here at Starbucks. Nag-drive-thru kami ng coffee. Ako matcha, siya naman nag-order siya ng coffee. And we are on our way to meet Cara and Maria.
Thank you.
Dry shampoo.
Para sa mga hindi naliligo, mga suki-suki.
Alam nila yan, hindi ako nagbabasa ng buhok everyday. Every other day ako nagbabasa ng hair, guys.
Dapat may ganyan ka? Hindi ka...
Bilan mo ko bago ka umalis.
Wow!
Ang bango! Wow, ang bango!
Thank you.
So yung in-order ko, guys, eto na. This is pure matcha latte. Sub-oat with 1 pump of white chocolate mocha. Sobrang sarap niya. Trinay ko to kasi nag-viral siya sa TikTok. And so far, almost 1 week ko na siyang tinatry talaga. Sobrang sarap. You guys should try this.
Ito din. Napakabago nito na ano nila. This is their new white chocolate mocha.
New? Anong bago doon?
Shining, know you can always count on me. So why can't you see?
Yun, naninood.
The wind that goes down. It's the wind that goes down. Would it be nice to hear those words? And you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heaven. Ang bigat sa may ermita at sa gabi, ako'y pinanang. Sige mo palagi, ngunit ngayon marami na nababatayay. To the sunset of your glory, when my heart would shine, there's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes.
Hey guys, today is September 13 and today is a really sad day for me because one of my dearest friends geared us in, someone I really consider more than my best friend. Bura na siya nako igsuon. He's been my confidant, he's been my partner in crime, whatever you call it. He is leaving for Canada today. I don't know how to feel kasi the past days talaga or weeks, parang randomly lang, bigla nila ako naiiyak talaga. Kung sa Bisaya pa, magsikugma, hilak every night, and Paco keeps on comforting me, telling me it will be okay, I'll get used to it without Marlon. And I think if you guys have been following me, nakikita niyo siya lagi sa stories ko, lagi ko siyang kasama the past months, as in parang twice as much kami laging magkasama. Kasi yun nga, aalis na siya for Canada. Today is, syempre, gaya ng ginawa namin kay Ate Yon, is ihahatid namin siya sa airport. Shout out again to Tita Mary Ann for securing us passes sa airport para mahatid namin siya hanggang sa immigration. So, thank you so much, Tita Mary Ann Di Mabayaw. And also to Babski Renz. Thank you, Babski, for the effort. And ngayong araw is, yun, kasama namin si Maria tsaka si Cara. I honestly don't know how to feel. Kasi guys, siya yung kasama ko talaga. Sa lahat. Gaya ni Ate yun. Tapos alam mo yun, parang lahat na lang umaalis ng Pilipinas. Iniiwan ako. Let's just see. Ayoko nang umiyak kasi parang napapagod na ako kakaiyak talaga, guys. Sobra. And kahapon, nagkasama din pala kami. Nag-dinner kami with Maria and Cara sa Ayala. And I bought him something that he can use sa travels niya. And I wrote him a handwritten letter. Habang hindi ko na na-film, hindi na ako nakapag-film talaga, wala na akong oras. Parang sinarili ko na lang yung moment na yun na habang habang nagsusulat ako, talagang umiiyak ako. Kasi, yun nga, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako masasanay na wala si Marlo. Kahit na nasa Alcoy kasi ako guys, pag pumupunta talaga ako dito ng safety, siya talagang hinahanap ko. Bukod kay Paco, of course. Siya yung kasama ko. Lahat na. Ngayon pupunta na siya Canada, alis na siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin mo. But of course, I wish him well. And I know naman na magsasucceed siya dun. Sana lang din maging masaya siya. Yun lang, ayoko namin yan. So ngayon, hinahantay lang namin siya na mag-ready na siya. Kasi mag-meet kami, magla-lunch lang kami together ni Cara, ni Maria, tsaka ni Renz. Hindi pa siya nagre-reply kasi late siyang nagising. Late din kasi siyang natulog kanina. Around 5 na siguro yun or 6 AM na siyang natulog. Time check, it's already 11:43 AM.
She said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space.
Tingnan yung kanyang wallpaper. Diyos ko dahil.
I guess I let her go. Never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe.
Ay, Gucci oh. Ay, grabe oh.
It was supposed to end up. It's not enough. And maybe time.
Padung namin sa airport. How do you feel?
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Mag-airport TV actually.
I just wanna be with you.
Bantay.
Hello. Magandang people.
Aalis na nga, pinag-drive pa.
Los, naguloy.
We reminisce about old nights and cheers. Farewell to you, my friends. Yesterday's a treasure, tears and tears. Not to mention our dogs and hypertension we did. Farewell to you, my friends.
Ito na yung passes namin. Okay, si Marlon nauna na sa loob. Tas kami, yung passes na to, naka-rents kasi, tas medyo natagalan yung pagpunta niya dito sa airport. At hindi siya makapag-park for now. So, sabi niya, mauna na lang daw kami. The late Martin Renz.
Ako pa, late. No, naganilagit ako kahuwas.
Naadyo niya ang pass.
Sige kayo, Renz.
Challenging kayo nga day, no? Thank you,
Malay,
Babski. Thank you, Babski and Tita Mary Ann. Yunili. Say hi sa vlog, Yunili. Hi.
Uy, kamusta dapat sa mo din niya?
Tapos daw mo, Maria.
Uy, mo na, hindi na, pakasal.